Number two was I was going to go through some user communication setup. So again, going back to basics, if you're getting emails or text messages that you do or don't want, there's a way to control those things in the app. And I'm going to share my screen here on my computer, and this will be an easier way. And again, under knowledge base, if you go into communication preferences, that's a good way, a good start on it. And it will walk you through some of those things, and it'll show you exactly where to go. So I'm going to hop into this account here. I'm going to go under setup and my account. And if you're administrating other accounts, you can access the same screen under setup and people, select the person, and then go to details. But I'm going to go under my account here. In here, there's some basic preferences. So task communication, I want either email, text message, or both. And then you can also set this high priority or higher urgent only. And so for the high and urgent only, what that is, and it's the CC. So you'll get all communication for everything if it's for you. But if you're being CC'd on something, so if you want to be CC'd on things that are higher urgent for one of the restaurants that you manage, then you can make sure that this is selected, and then you won't get those low priority or those non-urgent priorities when someone creates a task that maybe you need to look at, during the week or something, but you don't want that interrupting, a Friday night or Saturday. So you can select that to say that you want high and urgent. Then under departments here is where you can really get into the bones, the meat of what you want to receive. So in this example here, we have access to a lot of different restaurants. But if I wanted to be CC'd on everything for those restaurants, I could go through and mark that down and click on that I want to be CC'd on everything. Again, if I have that high and urgent set, then I'll only be CC'd on things that are higher urgent priority. So this is just a very easy way. And all of that, again, is covered in here under the knowledge base communications preferences. Really anything that you're looking at for what you're working on. If you go here first, if you can find it, great. There's good information in the knowledge base. And if not, there's you can either, again, click here on the resources tab, click on contact, and this will actually create a ticket for our support team. Hillary's here on the call here, and myself, we both get emailed and we'll deal with you right away. So that's a great way to send in information. The other way is just to send an email to support@owlops.com, and that accomplishes the same thing. So we're here to help. We want to make sure that you're getting through all those things that you need to.